Welcome to NPM Tech. Today we talk about cool tools you should see. Halo Blaze Osprey Heat Shrink Tube Processing Machine. Halo Blaze bring you the latest development in heat shrink tube processing technology. The Osprey device has been developed in-house using state-of-the-art CAD 3D modeling and flow simulation software. Osprey brings together the traditional heat gun method of processing heat shrink tubing with Osprey, engineered airflow for 360-degree shrinking and safer heat gun mounting. Combining the Osprey processing device with a Steinel heat gun now results in a consistent shrink result every time without the need to turn the wire during operation. Masonry Support. Masonry support is a common feature found in masonry-clad buildings worldwide. Masonry support has the critical function of taking the external masonry load and applying it back to the structure of the supporting building. The most common system is formed of two components. The first is the angle, which is embedded into the external leaf. This is then welded to a number of brackets which are restrained back to the internal structure of the building. This forms the passageway for the external load to be transferred back to the structure. Masonry support is required to allow for differential movement between the masonry panels and structure around the building and is normally located at horizontal movement joints, window heads, soffits or large openings. Support is usually installed at every other floor depending on the cavity size, structure type, structure size, and load. To support masonry where no structure is present below, such as windows, corner windows, walkways and soffits. 2. Support masonry over large openings where the use of lintels is unachievable. Allow differential movement of the structure and the facade on larger buildings generally over 4 stories in height. Wolfcraft Marking and Alignment Template. The template Wolfcraft is ideal for marking and aligning drywall socket and switch box inserts, featuring a spirit level that allows for easy template alignment to accurately mark the hole position, as well as align mounting boxes and inserts. This template is perfect for any installation. In addition, the 71 and 91 mm markings allow you to easily transfer the correct distances between 2 installation boxes, as well as socket boxes and TV or network boxes. Rail Pulling Devices. Hydraulic Rail Tensioner. When the required closure welds are made in continuously welded tracks, tension must sometimes be applied in order to ensure the optimum position. The rails must be placed in the correct longitudinal position before welding, in order to ensure the necessary distance from the rail ends. The hydraulic rail tensioning device is ideal for clamping, pressing and holding the rails in neutral length during the welding process. The profile-free design also enables trains to run over it in the installed condition. Hyde Heavy Duty Molding Puller. The Hyde molding puller was designed to remove baseboard, trim, and other molding materials from walls without damage to those materials. Due to its heavy-duty construction, this molding puller also excels at a secondary use for tile, carpet and other types of flooring removal. The patent-pending Hyde molding puller design has a built-in wedge feature on the 90-degree angle that can safely be driven between the materials. It works by spreading the applied force out along a larger surface area and gradually increasing the angle away from the wall to avoid damage. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like and share.